Hi guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be taking on the 3 meal for $10 challenge. I bought all my food at Walmart. Here in the state of Florida, they do not charge tax on food products. Comment down below what state or country you're from and do they charge tax on food products and how much. For this challenge, I purchased some pasta sauce for $1.18, a can of mixed vegetables for 62 cents, a can of no salt added black beans for 78 cents, a box of linguine for 92 cents, a tube of pork chorizo for $1.42, a 2-pound bag of parboiled rice for $1.48, a 10 package of tortillas for $1.48, a 12 slice of gouda cheese for $1.98, and 1 package of Barras Classic Franks for 90 cents. These meals will feed my family of 4. For my first meal, I will be using my black beans, half of my rice, some of my gouda cheese, and my flour tortillas.
You can cook your rice on the stove in a pot with a ratio of 1 to 2. 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. I am going to use my rice cooker. Now I am going to drain my beans and set them aside. I am going to put 1 tablespoon of butter into my pot. I am going to add my beans into my pot. Garlic powder, cumin, onion powder, and chili powder, 1 tablespoon each. Then I want to get my masher and slightly mash the beans with the spices. Now I just want to slice up some of my cheese into shreds. Now I am assembling the burritos. I put some beans down on the bottom, then some rice, and on top some cheese, and then I just fold. I have a skillet on medium-high heat, and I will brown my burritos on both sides.
My second meal, I'm going to use my linguine, my pasta sauce, some of my classic franks, and some of my sliced gouda.
First, I'm going to start by cutting some of my gouda cheese into small pieces. Then I am going to slice my hot dogs on a bias. Now I am going to turn a large pot full of water onto medium-high heat and a large skillet on medium heat. And in the skillet, I will put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and let that get hot. Now I am going to put about 2 tablespoons of garlic in my skillet and I am going to saute that until fragrant. Now I am going to add my sliced hot dogs into my skillets with my garlic, and I will saute this for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I am going to add 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning, and a half a cup of brown sugar. Now I am going to mix this well and let it cook for about 5 minutes so the brown sugar can caramelize. Now I will add my can of pasta sauce. Now I will stir my pasta sauce well. I will let it simmer for a few minutes, stirring occasionally to prevent burning. If your pasta sauce gets too thick, you can add some water. Now I will add my pasta into the large pot of boiling water. I want to cook my pasta just before al dente. I will finish my pasta cooking in my pasta sauce. Now I will mix my pasta and my sauce together. I will let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Once my spaghetti has simmered for 3 minutes, I will add some of my Gouda cheese on top.
For my third and final meal, I'm going to use my mixed vegetables, some more of my rice, and my chorizo.
First, I will start by making my rice. In my rice, I'm using 1 tablespoon of my tomato chicken bouillon. Now I am draining my canned vegetables. I have a large skillet and I have put 2 tablespoons of oil in it and turned the eye on to medium temperature. Now that my skillet is hot, I will use my masher to break up my chorizo as I cook it. Now that my chorizo is cooked, I will add my can of mixed vegetables and mix well. Now I am just adding some of my sliced gouda into my skillet, and I will mix well. Hope this video has shown you that you can feed your family delicious and filling meals on a budget. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.